All right. Okay. Let's talk about today. So today, I didn't take anything during the morning because there was not much. So as per usual, if I don't get a chance to catch something in the morning between like 8 to like 10:30, then I show up again at like 2, or I should say like 1 to 2:30, and I'm looking at NAS and I'm looking at like SPX because they also move during this time of the day. And Friday, right? Because I'm not recording this on Friday. Obviously, not obvious, but yeah, Friday. I took this setup. It was in the afternoon at 1:25. All right, and it's a simple 5-minute demand. You have a break of structure. Price came back to the zone. It was a big zone to be fair, but the 200 was right there, so I was pretty much hoping that it would kind of just hold and go up, but it came into the zone, wicked. I liked it. I took the breaker candle and immediately stop loss. Yeah, it was just one of them ones. And as you can see, it's not a case of like, oh, I got the direction wrong. It's just bad timing. Also, this is Friday, going towards the end of the day. So you don't really want to be trading at this point. But I was just trying to be really in and out real quick. I was out real quick, but not in the direction I expected. But just looking at it, I liked it. We were trending down, and we started making breaks of structure going the other way, or change of character if you want to call it that, or whatever. And you see we break, we crossed over the 200, and I'm like, okay, I like this. This looks like where we start to take off, which it eventually did. But as I said, sometimes it's about timing. When this happened, though, I was like driving at that point, so there was no chance or opportunity for me to like think about re-entering. You know what I'm saying? So I pretty much just took that L. I kind of just wished I just didn't take anything at all after not getting anything in the morning, especially considering how bad this month has been. Not just this week, honestly, this month. So this week was unprofitable. Not gonna lie. Trash week. Trash week. But we move. That's pretty much what it was as far as a trade, you know. I liked it. And if I'm being honest, if I seen this trade tomorrow again, I still would take it. No cap. Let me see something. Let me see. This is 6.7. Yeah, it's not even that big for real. I'd for sure take this again. Although to be fair, not even like that, but just even if I lost, I like this. I love this. So if I lose here, as I said, I was driving, but if I lose here, if I see this again and I was supposed to like lose and I see this, I'm buying again up in here. I'm either gonna scale in and try to find something or take a breakout, you know, or just take it as like a support setup, something. I'm getting in though. I'm leaving with some. You understand? But that was not the case that day. I was off the charts and took the L. But unrealistically, I don't even know that. Considering how bad this run has been, I don't know that I would want to take a second setup, anyways. But you know, it is what it is. We're just gonna have to come back tomorrow and do it again. Yeah, what was this doing on 15? You know what? This was the one thing about the trade that like I didn't like. I'm not gonna lie. Because when I was looking on the 15 and I seen this, I was like, damn, I'm in a really bad spot, Because the mere fact that we're cutting the 200 like this on the 15, especially with this little liquidity grab thing going on right here, it's very likely that it could like play around the way it did. So when I seen this, I was like, damn, it's not looking good, bro. And before I could finish thinking, that shit hit stop loss. As I said, I'll probably take it again. We'll see. I'll have to evaluate that. I'll have to evaluate that situation when it arises. Let me reach that bridge, then cross it. But that's pretty much all I got. That was a losing day. It was a losing week. I'm negative on the month, but we got one more week. Until tomorrow, y'all be safe.